Welcome. So this is well known, I believe, in the data science and data analytics community. But I do think that the broader practitioner audience maybe is not as aware of this functionality within Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel actually allows one to run Python code or Python functions directly within Excel. And this has been around for some time, but again, I think there's still some lack of knowledge or even lack of familiarity with this capability. So you can actually see here, I have some example data here, example employee data here, and what I'll actually do is if you go to formulas, you'll actually see this icon, Python icon, and what you'll be able to do is go ahead and click that, insert Python, and it'll give you some example options or sample options. We're going to go ahead and close that. And what I want to do is actually create a data frame. That's the standard data set format for Python. Then what I'll be able to do is run whatever I want on that data frame using Python code. So I will actually call this, I use the standard naming convention for this data frame, df. You have an equal sign there, and then what you'll want to do is type XL, and I can go ahead and then highlight all of that data. And you'll see there I have to hit Control Enter to run this Python code. And all this is maintained within the Microsoft Excel environment. And you'll see there I have this cell. I'll zoom in a little bit, but there's a little data icon here, and you click on this, and if you go to that first action, show data type card, it actually gives you a preview, and Anaconda is actually underneath this as well, but it gives you a preview of the data and the records just so you can kind of confirm what's in there. But once you already have that data frame cell set up, then you can actually run functions to analyze that data frame. So I'm just going to run a very simple function, and what I'll do is I'll hit insert Python again, and it will give me that cell that I can then use. So we'll go ahead and use the describe function. So I need to reference my data frame that I created, which is called df, and I will use the describe function, open parens, and what it's going to do is going to give you summary stats regarding this data and the columns within that data. So if I hit Control Enter, and I'm going to close this panel here, Control Enter and click on that preview again, you can actually see all the summary stats, right? So I can see if I'm looking at my data set here, this is the average row. The average is 41.78 in terms of age, and if I look further, the median is 43. I can also look at maybe the salary is 77,497 and some change, and then the median 77,685, which is pretty close. So that just gives you a quick tutorial on how to access the Python functionalities within Excel. I did want to share it with my network just so that others are aware. Again, obviously it's something that's been well known in the data science and analytics community, but I did want to share it with the broader group. I think there are a lot of potential capabilities that others can leverage, especially those that are in kind of finance or often working with financial functions. Python has a little bit more horsepower, and obviously advanced statistics as well. Python has a lot more horsepower, than just your out-of-the-box spreadsheet software. So that's it for me, and thanks for watching.